What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the last Antidote audio video of 2018. Clickbaited, although that's not the title of this video, so it doesn't really matter. Anyway, I was thinking what could be the final video of this year on this channel, and I thought, why not just do another 10-minute drop challenge? It's kind of been the theme for this channel over the last like 6 months. I've just had so much fun doing them, and you guys seem to enjoy them, so why not? So I thought to wrap things up with this last video, 10-minute drop challenge thing, we'd do jump up, drum and bass. You know how you kind of got rhythm and dubstep, and then on the other hand you kind of got drum and bass and jump up? The thing with rhythm and jump up is kind of had that little like break right before the beat kicks in, so it like does the main bass melody, and then I don't know, the beat kicks in and everybody's like, whoa! It's kind of that dutty wonky bass which we're going for, so we're gonna attempt to do that in 10 minutes and then do everything else as well, like the drums and effects and fucking everything. Alright, don't know why I made that pink, but okay, stop procrastinating, Sam. Let's get into it. 10 minutes on the clock, starting in 3. Actually, I'm gonna get serum ready. I'm gonna make the most of this time. 3, 2, 1, start. Yes, okay, let's get into it. It's definitely gonna be 8 minutes of making the bass, and I shouldn't like waste that time. Yeah, one of those. 2 of those. Octave up. 3. Sub. Squeaky chair. You want the filter, maybe that one. It's meant to be resonant as fuck. Did I even say that right? Resonant. Resonant. Okay. We kind of got that sound. We just need to like balls to the floor, smash it with distortion. Yeah, compressor. OTT. A little bit of EQ, notch out those mids just a little bit. Okay, just a lot then. Filter, maybe above, but not quite. We want that wub sound, so we're gonna have to LFO that shit. Maybe not like that. Maybe like that. We're kind of there. Needs a bit of something, maybe some delay. Okay, that's fair enough of it. A little bit of release. Oh, we want it? Yes, okay. There we go. Our sub's way too low though. Release too much. Release is still not. There we go, I was in the wrong fucking octave. Yeah, blah, blah. Okay, we've got the bass. We've got 6. Oh, we are fucking storming it on this one. 6 minutes 40. I can't count. We got so much time. I'm so gassed. I thought that was legit gonna take 8 minutes. I kind of roughly know how to make a jump up bass, but I wasn't 100% sure. Let's grab a fatty snare. That will do. That'll do, donkey. I kind of want the 2-bar that. Maybe that's 1 bar. I don't know, I need to sneeze. That's the fucking theme of every single Antidote video. I legit need to sneeze at some point. Maybe we'll get a kick from Equinox. 3 will do. Let's separate the channels. We got time to be clean and tidy with this mix. I need to create English Sam. I need to create this stonking melody of some sort. I don't want construction kits. I want drum breaks. That'll do as well. Group them together. Saturate. Yup. That kick drum is just way too doofs. Yes! Okay, I actually need to create this stonky wob wob that everybody shouts at a festival. Yeah, maybe something like that. Yeah, that's fucking, that's catchy enough. Well. That's every beat, isn't it? Wow. 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 It's not in any key really, it's kind of those notes together on my keyboard, so I'm just like, fuck it, let's make that into a ting. Nah, fuck it, it's gotta be in a key. Maybe E minor. Oh shit, I'm gonna run out of fucking time. Something else? Maybe an octave? Fuck, that's playing with fire. Nah, kill the drums there. No, not quite. Is that even part of the fucking scale? Cheat sheet scale. C minor. Let's drag that to E. We haven't got any sidechain. Rip this mix. We can do that at 1 minute 40. All goods. See, it's stress-free, guys. The environment is stress-free. Famous last words. Should we get a sidechain on that snare as well? And we are definitely red lighting. Oh well, that's what Ozone's for. Nobody better fucking quote me with that. Let's get some other sounds. kind of want a background ting. Maybe the classic kind of like vocal chop, vocal one shot. Just like a repeating kind of reverbed, delayed something something. That is also sidechained. Can't forget the sidechain. Okay, what did I say? Reverbed. They could even go up an octave, I reckon. 26 seconds, I've had a brainwave. Fuck. Oh, this is going down the shitter. It's a fucking distortion. No! Oh shit, now I hear how this sounds. Fuck. I was like gonna go for a different texture so I could lay them together and then like introduce this when the drop kicks in. They're kind of just doing the same thing, really. Fuck. I mean, it's not bad for 10 minutes. It's fucking repetitive and like it needs so much more to the mix other than just like bass, drums, and like one vocal chop over the top. This is what I was meaning before when I said ozone, not just like ozone will fix your mixdown problems. That's not what I meant whatsoever. Whoa. That little sender and turn tweak I did just after I finished the 10 minutes. I was like, yo, I'm gonna do a couple more tweaks. Shh, they won't notice. Everybody's gonna fucking notice. And it's just like a simple delay. Just doing bits, making it a little bit wider. And then of course the erosion. Kind of like a bit crush sound. And then of course removing all the bass since we got the bass originally up here. Oh, those clicks. Oh well, it's a 10-minute drop challenge. It's not meant to be absolutely perfect. The rough idea is down. You could easily turn this into a song. Just spend more than 10 minutes on it. Alright, let's give it the final listen. We've cranked it with ozone. And now it's time for the playback. It's so basic. I guess that's a great way to wrap up the fucking year with a crazy jump up 10-minute drop challenge. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Like I said, this will obviously be the last video I'm posting on this channel for 2018. 2019, we're probably gonna hit 10k subs. Yeet! And mid to late January, we're gonna be releasing our new G-Hop. G-Hop's not even a fucking genre, Sam. Oh my god. We're gonna be releasing our G-House / Bass House pack called Medallion. And then after that, well, you're just gonna have to wait and see. That's a bit of a secret at the moment. Yeet. I gotta stop saying yeet. I wanna thank every single one of you for watching, all your support on the channel. I'm very grateful for every single one of you that's watching these videos. It just keeps me going. And to just make more videos, which I do enjoy, as you can tell with this video that I made. Yeah, can't wait for 2019. It's gonna be an amazing year. Can't wait to see you guys there. And thanks for watching. Peace!